$2 ticket, raffle tickets for some J's. So the J's right, she have a pair on the table. The J's right there. We having a raffle drawing at 6 o'clock. Oh, DTR Media Group. Yeah, R.I.P. You ain't have to laugh like that. Dang, that hurt my feelings. I'm finna put the mic down, y'all. Yo, what's good, man? This your boy BJC Black. Come on at me, baby. Come on at me, baby.
Turn up. Collard green, I'm on gasoline and I'm on that promethazine. Life ain't nothing but a G thing. Switch slang, get brain hand down a G-string. I'm that type of nigga that's built to last. You fuck with me, I put my foot in your ass. Oh Lord, you trying to get me sent to jail. Have mercy. Just like, oh yeah.
R.I.P. And $2 for a raffle ticket for some J's. $300 value from another crowd. Yo, Miss Nala, come on, get buck. I ain't got no rhythm whatsoever. Which is bad because I rap, that sucks. Like, bro, how do you get on a track but you can't dance? Yo, man, $2, man, $2. You look, boy, you fly as hell. You look like you got $2, dog. Bro, you come with the chain, creased up, all that. You got $2, dog. You know what I'm talking about? No, you ain't broke, dog. Come on. Let's get it. Every time I go out, you know I got to show out. Every time I go out, you know I. Yo, what's good? This your boy DJ C Black. You know what I'm saying? $2 raffle ticket.